Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Bhabna's Beauty World. You have already known from the title that today we're gonna create a makeup look which is kind of inspired by K-pop or Korean pop, or you can say BTS kind of look. So we're gonna try to look like them, not exactly look like them. So I hope you got the theme of today's makeup look. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the main video. And of course, you can take a few seconds to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and click a thumbs up. As you can see, this is my prepared skin. Before makeup, I've just cleaned my face with face wash, used a moisturizing serum and my regular day cream. So first of all, you need a very natural look like base. So for this, I'm using powder foundation. I love this powder cake from L'Oreal. You can see it's almost empty. I use it in everyday life. Just using a big fluffy brush to take some of the powder, a very little amount, and just tapping it on all over my face to look like a very natural base that gives a little bit of brightness and sheer coverage. And I haven't used it on my neck, but still you can see it almost matches with my neck. The second step is blush. We know K-poppers have naturally blushed cheeks. To achieve them, we need some blushy natural cheeks. So I'm mixing this peach and dark pink blush with a big fluffy brush. I'm just tapping it on my cheeks and nose and just trying to blending it so naturally that it looks so much natural on my face. Now to the eyeshadow. We know K-poppers have that pinkish vibe on their face and this looks like so natural on their face. To achieve that, I'm using this pinkish blushy type of eyeshadow with a fluffy brush and just blending it on all over my lid so that it looks so much blended and gives a smoky vibe. Now, what about highlighters? We know K-poppers have their glass skin like dewy face. So to achieve that, we need highlighter which is properly blended on our skin. So to have that look, I'm using these fluffy brushes to use this pink highlighter on my face and just blending it, taking a small amount and just blending on over my face so that it looks so much natural and gives a dewy finish that looks like I haven't used any kind of highlighter. I'm so excited for the next step. I'm using this Makeup Revolution's Iconic Pro 2 palette and I just need only 2 shades from this palette, but I'm so excited because I'm using this for the first time here. Actually, the Korean popper or K-popper look has their defined eyes but not so much defined or vibrant. They do not use any kind of eyeliner. So I'm just gonna take some brown and a black shadow from this palette. I got a very good eyeshadow brush in this palette which is 2-inch. One is flat and the other is fluffy. I'm just taking a little amount in the flat brush. Firstly a black eyeshadow and then a brown eyeshadow and just using this in a eyeliner way and just blending it on the upper lash line. This just defines my eye but in a smoky look that looks like almost natural, and I hope that makes sense. Now for the lower lash line or tight lines, I'm using Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade white, and you can see on both eyes after using it and before using it, it gives you that vibe that this eye is present and it actually brightens up your eyes, defines your eyes and just makes your eyes look so much natural and vibrant. And now for the eyebrows, I'm just brushing up my eyebrows, and I'm not using any kind of eyebrow products on my eyebrows. I just trying to look like so much natural. Now for the eyeliner, I'm using Makeup Revolution eyeliner, lip liner. Makeup Revolution lip liner on my lips in the shade Grandy. It gives you this peachy kind of vibe which actually matches with this look. For the lipstick, having natural peachy pinkish lip like K-popers, I'm using this Lapham Super Matte lipstick in the shade 309. So this was all about today's makeup look. I hope you understand that this look is actually inspired from K-popers, not exactly their look, or I'm not trying to tell you that I made their look or I just created or new creation of their look. Not exactly. I just get fun of creating many kinds of makeup looks, and it is one of them. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So this was all about today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I have enjoyed so much to create this video, and you can comment down in the comment section below which kind of videos you want to see in future, or which kind of makeup tutorials you like or dislike, or any kind of makeup ideas. You can comment down in the comment section below. And I want to remind you that don't forget to subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon beside, click on the all notification option so that you can get notified every time I post a new video. You know what? Your subscriptions, your thumbs ups give me more inspiration to create more contents on my channel. And I post a makeup tutorial or makeup related, skincare related, this kind of videos every week in my channel. You can also check out my vlog channel. I post there about my personal life. You can check all my YouTube videos in just one playlist. I'll also link that in the description box. So thank you so much for watching these videos. Love you all. Give a thumbs up, and till the next week, stay happy, stay safe. Ta-da!